What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you 8 display settings to improve your battery life in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now first of all, to improve the battery life, switch to dark mode. Dark mode uses less battery, and after that if you use high screen brightness, then use lower screen brightness. Now the third display setting is, if you have enabled adaptive brightness, then turn it back off. Now after this, scroll down and tap on motion smoothness, and from here use standard motion smoothness. So for that, tap on standard and tap on apply, and then scroll down and tap on screen mode. Now from here, tap on natural, use natural screen mode, and after that scroll down and click on screen timeout. Now from here, use a small screen timeout, and then go back and here turn off accidental touch protection and touch sensitivity button. So these are the 8 settings you can enable to improve your battery life. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.